In this tutorial, we'll cover how to use the Google Single Sign-On feature to log into STEMFUSE Educate without having to type in a username or password. To begin, you'll want to make sure that your school has either signed up or utilizes Google with your email set up for both students and teachers. Then go to STEMFUSE Educate and click on the Continue with Google button. From there, you're going to either already be signed into your Google account, in which case it'll take you straight through to Educate. Otherwise, you will need to do a one-time login using your Google account. So go ahead and type in your email and then password on the next step. After you've typed in your password on the second step, click Next. After you've completed the Google Single Sign-On process, you'll be logged into Educate either in your student account or your teacher account. This makes it really simple for schools utilizing Google to be able to log into Educate quickly and without the use of passwords or memorizing any type of username. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn how to use the Educate platform or to integrate it with your existing LMS.